Hello and welcome back to CADvent 2024. It is day 19 of 24 festive designs in Autodesk Fusion. My name is Elizabeth Bishop and you can find me on my social medias at 3dbish. In today's video, day 19, we are designing a custom text cookie cutter. So let's jump into Fusion and get started. So this is a relatively simple design for today's video. We are going to start off with a sketch, and this really is the size of the cookie you want to cut. So it's going to be a circular design with your custom text on it. This works really well for shortbread, and you can also use it for gingerbread. Great for giving customized gifts to people like your grandparents. So starting off with a circle, I'm going to do it 60mm, but if you want a different size cookie cutter, you can obviously do that. And I'm going to finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude that one up by 10mm. And I'm then going to create a sketch on the top surface. I'm going to do an offset of this and bring that in by -2mm. And then going to another offset. So that one is going to be -2 plus -1.2. So that's going to be -3.2 there. And I'm then going to finish that sketch. I'm going to extrude both of these surfaces down, and that's an extruded cut. So I want it to go downwards. So going to go down to object, and then I want to do an offset of 2mm from the object. So to object, I need to select the bottom face, but then I want to do an offset of -2. So that's going to give me my profile there, and it's a cut operation. So click OK. That gives me my base profile for the cookie cutter there. So once I've got that, I'm then going to create my sketch for my reverse text. And this is where it's a bit different from some of the other ones we've done. So I'm going to create a sketch on that profile. And as before, I'm going to do text. So I'm going to create my text, and this is going to say, I don't know, season's greetings or Merry Christmas, Happy Christmas. Let's go with happy. So happy Christmas, and you want to make sure it's going to fit inside the circle. And what we want to do is we want to flip this. So we want to flip it in the horizontal orientation. I'm going to click OK there. You want to make sure the text is big enough such that it can 3D print the objects and not too small that the gaps get stuck. So finishing that sketch, I'm going to extrude that text. So just grabbing the text profile, and I want to extrude that up. And for this one, my extent type is going to be to object. But again, I want to do an offset. So I don't want to go all the way to that object. I want to do a maybe a 2mm offset, and this really depends on the height of the biscuits that you want to make. So for shortbread, 2mm is probably quite good. If you're doing gingerbread, you're probably going to want to have fatter biscuits. So you want to do that offset based on how thick you want the biscuit, plus a bit of the imprint. So I'm going to do that as an operation of join. And you can see there that that creates an offset on the part from the edge of the cookie cutter. You could also add in a chamfer to create a point to which that will cut there. And then the final thing we do, so if you were to use this cookie cutter as is, it's quite hard to get the biscuits out. So we're just going to add in a sketch on this profile here. And I'm going to essentially cut out some of these profiles to help cut through the biscuit. So creating a circle. So I'm going to create a circle. I'm going to do that a diameter of 45mm there. And then I'm going to grab a line and bring that across there, and another line and bring that across there. I just want to make sure this doesn't overlap any of my text. So I'm going to bring that up there and then just bring that one in there and finish that sketch. I'm then going to extrude both of those profiles through to that front face there and do a cut operation. And that there gives you your Happy Christmas, in this case, cookie cutter, and you can use that to imprint. And if you're going to do multiple ones and you wanted to remember which design each one was, you could add the text on this side as well, so that when you're using them in the kitchen, you can do each one and not get mixed up with your designs. So all that's left to do with this one, as I said, quick video, is export your STL, load that up into your preferred slicer for your 3D printer and print it out. If you've got any questions or need any help, please do post them in the comments below. If you've liked this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know what you want me to do for the rest of CADvent 2024. I'll see you in the next video.